Let's talk about a fascinating and maybe even surprising idea. What if the real key to rebuilding strength in your legs wasn't about spending hours at the gym? What if it was about a simple, science-backed routine you could do right before you go to sleep?
I know, it sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? The idea that you could actually turn your sleep into a productive muscle rebuilding session, well, that's the powerful concept we're going to dive into right now.
For so many of us, this is just a frustrating reality. You know that feeling, right? That little bit of stiffness, maybe a slight hesitation before you push yourself up out of a chair, or noticing that the grocery bags just feel a little heavier than they used to. It's a really common experience, but here's the good news. It doesn't have to be your story.
To really get this, we first have to kind of flip the script on what we think we know about how our muscles work, because the secret to rebuilding that strength, it lies in a very surprising place. Now this is a total game changer. Let that sink in. We always think of walking or gardening or any exercise as the building phase, but that's actually when our muscle gets broken down. The real magic, the actual rebuilding and strengthening, that happens when our bodies are at rest, especially when we're sound asleep.
So think of it like this. During the day, all our movements create these tiny microscopic tears in our muscle fibers. That's normal. Then at night, when we're in a deep sleep, our body's repair crew comes in to fix those fibers, and they build them back even stronger than before. But, and this is a big but, they can only do that if they have the right materials for the job.
So, if your body's a construction crew working the night shift, what are its building materials? I mean, without the right supplies, the bricks, the mortar, that crew just can't do its job. So what is the fuel for this absolutely crucial nighttime repair work?
Well, the answer is something called amino acids. The easiest way to think of them is as the literal building blocks your body uses to repair and rebuild that muscle. They are absolutely essential for this whole process to work.
And here's the thing you really need to understand. If you go to bed without giving your body these building blocks, it might actually keep breaking down muscle tissue overnight, just to find the resources it desperately needs. This can make you weaker, especially in your legs, which are the foundation of all our mobility.
This is where timing becomes everything. You see, by taking in a specific kind of fuel right before bed, something that digests very slowly, you create this incredible 6 to 8 hour window of nourishment. It's like setting up a slow, steady delivery of those amino acid building blocks right when your body's repair crew is clocked in and ready to work.
Okay, so all this science leads to a wonderfully simple and practical solution. Let's look at how you can easily put this into action with what we're calling the one-spoon routine. It's that easy.
You've got two fantastic all-natural options here. The first is just 1 scoop of a slow-release protein powder. Something like casein is perfect because it's known for digesting slowly. Or you can make your own comforting homemade mix with a little warm milk, some turmeric, a pinch of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of chia seeds. Both of these are designed to do the exact same thing. Fuel your body slowly all through the night. And the routine? Honestly, it could not be simpler. You just prepare your small, warm drink, stir in that single spoonful of fuel, enjoy it, and then head to bed. That's it. You've done your part, and now your body takes over, using that fuel to quietly work for you, not against you.
And what's so wonderful about this approach is how gentle it is. We're not talking about any harsh chemicals or complicated pills here. This is just about giving your body the simple, natural support it's been quietly asking for.
So, what does this all actually mean for you in your day-to-day life? Let's talk about the payoff, the real-world impact of finally giving your body what it needs to rebuild.
This really gets to the heart of it all, doesn't it? Because leg strength isn't just about muscle, it's about independence. It's about having the confidence to walk where you want, to stand tall, to navigate your world without fear or hesitation. It's about freedom, pure and simple.
And you know, the changes might feel subtle at first, but they are so meaningful. Just imagine, in only a few weeks, feeling that little bit of extra strength when you push up from a chair, or noticing you're just standing a little straighter. Maybe you'll find yourself approaching a set of stairs with a newfound sense of confidence. That's your body finally getting the fuel it needs to do its job.
So it all comes down to this really simple but empowering question. With a solution this gentle, this natural, and this easy, what's stopping you from giving your body the support it needs to start rebuilding tonight?